My name is Dr. Tania Garon, and I'm the founder of the Body Hotel, and I'm the lead facilitator for the Body Hotel Moving Respite. The Body Hotel is a dance movement psychotherapy social enterprise. So we focus on movement as a tool for well-being, and particularly we have been focusing on employee well-being and working with the NHS and different health boards across Wales. So as a dance movement psychotherapist, I was based in Scotland, and I was really feeling the need to have a space where it would be a hybrid between personal and professional development. When I moved to Wales, there was again this need of, right, how do we justify that space for ourselves? How do we justify the need for self-care and some respite, particularly if we're in the caring professions or we're a carer ourselves? We've gotten funding from Arts Council Wales and Health Education and Improvement Wales to run a pilot program with HEIW employees and employees from the Wales NHS health boards. So we ran this program for 12 weeks. We've had a series of intensives. We've been featured in different conferences. We've had an assortment of different platforms for which to be an advocate for movement as a service provision within Wales.
My name is Claire Smith, and I'm the Head of Wellbeing at Work in Health Education and Improvement Wales. We consider the importance of wellbeing of the workforce as paramount and something in HEIW that is in one of our strategic aims. And we recognise that the workforce have different ways of looking after themselves. So that could be moving, it could be music, it could be exercise. And it's important that we recognise and allow our workforce to have access to these resources that will help them.
Eryll George ydy'n enw fi, a fi ydy cydlynydd Gwella Iechyd yn Bwrdd Iechyd Cwm Taf Morgannwg. Oedd staff yn caru'r gwaith, hyd yn oed staff oedd rioed wedi cael unrhyw flas o'r math yma o waith o'r blaen. We can think logically about a problem, but actually it doesn't reach the core emotional impact and impetus for change. And from my experience working with both reason, the imagination, the body, the senses, different art forms, it gives a deeper dimension, I feel, to people's experiences of well-being and potential for them and getting the right balance in their own lives.
So I've been really lucky to be a part of the sessions as well as manage them, and I come from a music background personally rather than a dance background, so when I got involved with the company it was just a completely new experience for me. I was quite apprehensive, I was very self-conscious, I didn't want to kind of get up in front of people and dance. I thought that was going to be really scary, but actually because everyone's in the same boat, it's such a non-judgmental space, a really safe space, and it's just another way now of coping with the stress in my schedule that I didn't know was there before. And it's so easy to just stick some music on and dance, and it really does change kind of how you look at the world and how you look at self-care.
Movement for me keeps being the way that holds and gives me skills to deal with all the really difficult things that's been thrown at us throughout this time.